MetaMask warns of address poisoning wallet scam. In address poisoning, scammers exploit absent-mindedness when copying and pasting wallet addresses. When transacting, the usual routine consists of copying and pasting an address. Many wallet providers, including MetaMask, feature a one-click function to copy an address. Address poisoning exploits users' inattention at this point in the transaction process. Specifically, scammers observe and track transactions of particular tokens, with stablecoins commonly targeted. Then, using a vanity address generator, the scammer will create an address that closely matches the target address, especially the first and last few characters. The scammer sends a transaction of nominal value from the newly generated address to the target address. At this point, the latter becomes poisoned. In the future, when wishing to send a transaction, the user may mistakenly copy the wrong address based on the familiarity of the first and last few characters. Once executed, the funds end up with the scammer. MetaMask explains how to stay safe. Unfortunately, the nature of public blockchains means anyone, including scammers, can send transactions to any address if they choose. MetaMask reiterated the importance of checking every address character when sending funds, not just the first and last few. Other strategies to avoid falling victim to address poisoning include not using transaction history to copy addresses, whitelisting frequently used addresses to avoid copying and pasting altogether, and using test transactions, especially when transferring large sums.